Yes, family, this Jamaican woman is absolutely gorgeous. Shenseea, aka the Shenyang Queen, celebrates her 27th birthday with her son and her friends. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Beautiful girl. When me say she look good, me mean she's stunningly beautiful. Shenseea looking stunning, celebrating her birthday with her son and friends. Shenyang is now 27 and she celebrated her birthday in style, and she did not hold back. The famous luxurious restaurant Carbone with her son and loved ones. Cabone is her favorite celebrity hut, with the likes of Rihanna sharing her love for the restaurant's food, especially at the time when she was pregnant and craving. The restaurant, which is established across New York, Las Vegas, Miami, and other states, feature Italian food and fine dining. Oh, you mean, Shenyang, you deserve it. I mean, the little Jamaican girl, end up a foreign with some rich pals. Shenyang shared snaps of her events. The evening was beautiful, including an elegant birthday outfit showing off just the right amount of skin. Imagine me beautiful Shenyang Queen. The artist style of hair is a ponytail and, huge down of her back, donning a sexy white stained satin dress that went down to her ankle. The dress has a high split in front of the line with a thin feathery lace, which gives the peak at the artist's toned leg and around her derriere. The artist also blows out some birthday candles on what appears to be a slice of cheesecake. A Florida she there. From she eat the cheesecake, she there are Florida people. And in another, what appears to be a shrimp and vegetable. Okay, she a live good. Okay, in another snap, she posed amongst a tall pot of feathery plants that looks like palm trees. While members of the table sing Shenseea's birthday, her son, Roger, who is sitting at her left, joined in the birthday celebration, but his mom quickly corrected him when he typically said, "Happy birthday, Shenyang." She said, "What?" He said, "Mom," as the waiter brings out the artist's cake and the table erupts in song. Roger seems to forget that his manners. "Happy birthday, Shenseea," Rage sing as his mom shockingly turned and said, "Who? What's my name?" Shenseea asked him while the table erupted in laughter. "Mommy, Mom," he answered. Shenseea doesn't appear upset, as she always smiled. Rage, who turned 8 years old last year, appeared to be spending time with his mother for her birthday. The young boy was recently featured as a model at the Rookies US Kids show at the New York Fashion Week last month. Look at Shenyang. Look at the splendid, beautiful pose. I like how she stand up in the glasses there, so she just look like she call. Ice call. Listen, me not going to be an internet troll, but hey, Spice, the gal I whop you wicked. Shenyang celebrating her 27 Earth Strong. You are guaranteed at the beloved and well-known restaurant that them say Rihanna and other celebrities go to. You organty. Someone big up Shenyang. Yeah. Celebrating her 27th birthday in style, dining in at the famous luxurious restaurant, the Carbone. Yeah, with her loved ones, including her son. You organty. So subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment on this particular one. I'm telling you straight up, people, me love the Shenyang Queen. You organty. She is like the complete, them girl that can give Rihanna and Beyonce a run for them money in the industry. She lyrical, beautiful, and she come from yard, and she not leave out yard, although she now living in abroad. So a more life and more joy and more happiness. Big up yourself, Shenyang. You are gone tea. Big up yourself on your 27th birthday. A more life and more joy, more happiness. Leave your comment. Share up the content, family and friends. And remember, if you have not subscribed as yet, hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rastaman panel. Big up the Rastaman channel. And go over to TikTok and follow me on TikTok. You are going to take, as some people use the TikTok, me over there. Follow me on the X. Me not to update the X, but check me out on the TikTok. Me try to keep up on the TikTok. YouTube, and if you stop, shadow band the Rastaman. More life, more joy. Share the content from your friends and leave your comment. Let me know what you think about Shenyang and our birthday bash. You are going
to so from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send that dove cut. Babylon the fire burn the long back. Babylon the proofs for that you can't turn ya.
There you have a minute.
Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king. Rastafari soldier, real fire king. Yeah. Balalang bang.
Pick up TV. Respect. Make sure to tune in. You hear? Every time.